Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by shutting the water off and relieving pressure. That prevents spills and makes the extension removal safe. Once done, place a bucket and towel under the spout, then use an adjustable wrench to loosen the retaining nut or collar. Turn counterclockwise with steady pressure. If it resists, apply penetrating spray and wait 5–10 minutes so corrosion eases. Remove the old extension carefully, noting orientation and any rubber washers or clips so you can replicate the seal during reassembly. You now inspect the connection surfaces and internal seals because a good seal is why the repair holds. Once you see worn O-rings or flattened washers, replace them. Measure diameters to match new parts. Clean both male and female threads with vinegar or a brush to remove mineral deposits that prevent sealing. Make sure surfaces are dry, then apply 2–3 tight turns of plumber's tape on the male thread. Wrap in the direction of tightening so it won't unravel when you reinstall the extension. You reattach the extension by hand starting threads to ensure correct alignment. Once seated, tighten gently with the wrench. About 1/4 to 1/2 turn past hand tight is usually enough because over-torquing can deform seals. After assembly, restore water slowly and watch for leaks, checking joints for 20–30 seconds. If you see a steady drip, turn water off and try reseating the washer or adding another layer of tape. If leaks continue, the seat or valve may be damaged and need replacement or professional help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.